Hello viewers, you are welcome to this very important video on the mollusks. How well do you know the snails and other organisms in the phylum Mollusca? Today's lecture is intended to intimate you on some of the facts you need to know about the mollusks, organisms, and the phylum Mollusca. Now, mollusks are animals that are mainly characterized by the possession of shells. They possess shells that protect them, and these mollusks are also known to possess tentacles, which is also another distinctive feature. When you look at this snail, the snail has uh, two types of tentacles. Okay, it has two types of tentacles. A pair of ossiliferous tentacles. These ossiliferous tentacles have the eyes, so the snails are able to see with the aid of the ossiliferous tentacles. They see with the aid of the ossiliferous tentacles. Apart from the ossiliferous tentacles, they also have a pair of tactile tentacles. Those very small tentacles that are usually close to the surface, and those two pairs of tactile tentacles are actually they actually play a sensory role. They are used to touch the surface as the snail moves from one place to another. Now the snails are also known to have three body parts. Their bodies are divided into three major parts: the head, the the foot, which is at the bottom, and the visceral mass. This part that contains the entire body, the visceral organs, is called the visceral mass. The body of the snails are divided into three parts: the head, the foot, and the visceral mass. Now, the snails also are known to uh, have the capability of retracting their entire body into the shells. When threatened, they retract their entire body into the shells to protect them, and the shells protect them from predators and also protect them from desiccation There are different types of snails, and uh, these different types of snails are also adapted to living in various environments. Now, this is another type of snail that's found on this leaf, also in the phylum Mollusca. There are some snails that are adapted to living, that are aquatic too, and they are found in the aquatic environments, either in ponds and pools, and there are some that are also found in estuaries and even in the oceans in marine environments. So these snails have very unique features that you will want to know. Now, the mollusks are classified into uh, about 10 uh, classes. We have the class Gastropoda. We also have the class Bivalvia, that's made up of those ones that have two shells. We have the class Cephalopoda. Cephalopods consist of the octopods and the squids. Then we also have those in the class Monoplacophora. We have the class Polyplacophora. We have the class Cordovoviata and many other classes. But among all of these classes in the phylum Mollusca, three classes are well known. The class Gastropoda, which this snail belongs to. The gastropods, the snails and the slugs, belong to the class Gastropoda in the phylum Mollusca. Then the octopus and the squid belong to the phylum Cephalopoda. Cephalo, that's having their head and their foot, having foot in their head. The gastropods have as having their belly in their foot, or their foot is in their belly. That's the meaning of the word gastropod. Then the bivalves have two shells, okay, two laterally placed shells, okay, like the clams. Examples are the clams and the mussels. So thank you very much for watching this video. I believe you've learned a lot from it, and continue to watch videos from my YouTube channel, and you'll be glad you did. So that's the mollusks in the phylum Mollusca, the class Gastropoda.